In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create environment Meshy AI. We'll turn a collection of AI-generated 3D assets into a cohesive world that's ready for games, animations, VR, or polished renders. Meshy can help you build everything from forests, cities, and sci-fi worlds to dungeons, desert maps, stylized fantasy scenes, VR environments, and low-poly game worlds. It supports generating props, terrain pieces, buildings, vegetation, textures, and even animated assets so you have a complete toolkit to work with. Start by planning your environment, choose a clear theme, pick an art style, and decide on a color palette before you generate anything. Define your colors, materials, mood, and shape language so your assets feel like they belong together. This upfront clarity pays off later, keeping your scene consistent and avoiding visual clutter. Think of it as setting the rules of your world, how soft or sharp shapes should be, how saturated your colors are, and what materials dominate. Next, generate your environment assets in the Meshy workspace. Use text to 3D when you have a strong prompt in mind, and switch to image to 3D when you want to match a reference. Create separate pieces such as trees, rocks, crates, walls, terrain props, and buildings. In the workspace, you'll find image, model, texture, and animate modes that let you move fluidly from concept to production. Keep scale in mind as you generate. Consistent proportions make assembling your scene much easier. For extra cohesion, use style reference images. Upload a reference and run image to 3D to produce matching assets. This helps unify lighting behavior, color families, materials, and overall shape style across your world. It's a reliable way to avoid mixing clashing looks, especially when you're generating assets over multiple sessions. When it comes to the ground itself, build terrain pieces modularly. Meshy excels at creating repeatable, snap-together parts rather than a single giant open world. Generate small terrain chunks, cliffs, rocks, and floor tiles, then assemble them in your preferred tool, such as Blender, Unity, Unreal Engine, or Godot. This modular approach improves performance, simplifies iteration, and gives you flexibility to expand or rearrange your layout later. Finally, texture your assets. Use Meshy's AI texturing tools to add moss, create stone patterns, layer in dirt, introduce metalware, and stylize surfaces. Apply textures to both generated and uploaded models, and keep your palette and material response consistent so everything feels grounded in the same universe. With clear planning, focused asset generation, smart use of references, modular terrain, and thoughtful texturing, you'll create rich environments that look cohesive and production ready.